That's definitely going as the very first clip.
Yeah. Alright,
so here we go. We got an FPV Knights crew.
Very first sponsor
Your boy Gecko in the background.
What's up, boy?
This is our very first sponsor, and we would like to thank Mr. Reiner V. Weber for this first package. We're gonna open together as a family.
We have a hunch as to what it is, but we don't actually know. It's a little bit of a surprise.
So here we go.
Thank you very much, Mr. Weber. And we're very excited.
Oh man, this guy's rough.
Made sure it survived the USPS adventure. Oh, I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Holy crap.
What are you gonna do? Yeah.
Oh, man.
Nice shirt. Wow, this guy's heavy. Feel it, feel it.
Oh, wow. Oh,
You know what's in there.
I know. There's something in here.
There's something in there.
The shirt is the cover-up story.
Damn, boys, look at
There's
this.
something in here. Wow, thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you, thank you.
I appreciate it very much.
X-Class gear.
Oh, wow. Ooh, that's awesome. I'm taking one of these personally.
Wow, these are a lot. Holy snap.
Wow. Oh, that's awesome. It's all printed TPU. That's awesome.
Wow.
Is this CNC or laser cut? That's CNC.
Definitely
That's
CNC.
totally CNC.
That's awesome.
So what is this, VonDrones?
Hasn't been deferred yet.
VonDrone.
Alright, we gotta put these stickers all over this guy.
Alright. So we gotta open this little guy up. You ready?
That's it.
Alright. If I can figure out how to open up this zip tie. There's something in here. It's not just a t-shirt. I'm very excited.
Oh, man.
Do you see that?
Bro, no way.
Official X-Class racing.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
Are these the ones that Garrett has?
I don't think so, dude.
This
No,
is
dude,
the-
those are more powerful than
This
Garrett's.
is X-Class
Wow.
Racing. His says like China.com on it.
Oh, this is a Zoe 3D. Wow.
Hold on, put it up to the camera.
Zoe 3D motors.
Oh
With
man,
the-
is that Bowser on there?
Bowser.
Yes, it is.
Zoe
Yo.
3D Bowser.
Wow. Dude, thank you, thank you.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, we're totally beating Sortech in their own
This is
competition.
yeah, we are. This is
Sor, we're coming for you. Look at all this great stuff we got.
this is a
Just
stator size is a 4114 666 kV. Wow. I'm actually
wait,
really
6.6? So we can take up to 8 cell then.
666 kV. Yeah. That's wild. Wow.
Nice t-shirt.
Nice 16 gauge wire.
Man, look at that t-shirt.
Yeah,
A little dusty,
Whoever's
but
flying the X-Class has to wear that.
Extra large t-shirt.
Kareen looks like it's on
Yeah,
here.
I'll-
Here, David, you want to trade? You
I'll
want to
take any
check out the motor and I'll take the
opportunity
camera
to
for
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
Alright.
Dang, dude.
Yeah, that's insane.
Oh, yo, universal mounting on the bottom too.
I was not expecting that at all. Because in the email it was like, oh, we'll send you the frame and stuff.
Holy crap.
And then,
Wow,
These
that's,
are nice.
that's impressive.
Sit-
These are real beefy motors, not gonna
We
lie.
should set all this up for a nice picture.
yeah.
Yeah. This needs an Instagram shot for sure.
Yeah, or we just put trash after you take my X-Class stick.
Wow, this
Gotta
is a
move.
serious contribution.
Yeah.
This is more than anything we could have got, you know, for our GoFundMe. This is like a serious.
Our GoFundMe is
No. I mean, like,
No.
this is more than what someone could have just donated
Yeah.
on GoFundMe. You know what I mean?
This is like personal.
Yeah.
This is literally like what's gonna put us over the top.
That's awesome.
Yeah, because a lot of the big part of the money that we have to buy are the motors.
Yeah, that's one.
And we already got them taken
part of
care
it.
of. What are you doing?
I'm looking at it. Nice.
You're moving it out of the picture. What are you doing?
Oh man, you're making it too nice and neat. Ugh.
It doesn't fit our style.
Yeah, you're right. Let's open this and just.
No, actually, yeah. Open up and just pour it out. Don't like.
No,
but
like.
just.
There's hardware.
That's good.
in there.
No, you gotta be careful, dude, yeah. You wanna take a photo here? Camera, something else?
It's nice TPU mats.
Camera's grabbed.
I don't
Alright.
know what these actually are,
They're
but we'll
TPU.
figure it out.
Oh,
Well, I
I
mean,
think,
like-
so, look,
It's, yeah.
it's to hold whatever the arm is in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Along with nice little standoffs to hold up the
Gotcha,
rest of the
gotcha.
frame.
Yeah, and these are, you can put the motor wire, or the,
Yes.
you know.
Well, I thank you again, Mr. VonDrone, for all the amazing X-Class parts you donate. Okay, this one.
Go ahead.
So we want to thank you so much, Mr. Weber, for all the stuff that you were able to do for us. Thank you,
VonDrone.
Team VonDrone, for everything that you've got.
Yes.
Soar Aerospace, thank you for helping us out with this. This is an amazing start to our X-Class adventure, and I'm so happy to bring this kind of racing to universities. So thank you so much, Mr. Weber, one more time. Team VonDrone, shout out. Let's go and race, guys.
Thank you, Lady Blue Pizza, for my lunch today. It was very good.
All right,